Here's my bike check. Starting off, I got a Eastern Reaper frame, first one. I got flatware cufflink grips, Coalition Holy Cross bars, Sunday stem with failure headset, Eastern forks, Tioga 2.10 tire, Sun Envy rims, Profile Mini hub, and for the middle I got Shadow seat, Poverty seat post, Mechanic hollow track half link chain, got the Shadow Crow sprocket, got the Eastern cranks, Stolen Thermalite pedals, and a Eastern bottom bracket, and a Tioga 20.20 back tire, Profile Mini hub, and for spokes I got double butted spokes and just regular nipples, and it's my bike check.